cousin marriages increase the risk of genetic disorders, why are they most prevalent in Muslims? According to science, every person carries some faulty or harmful genes, but they usually don't cause problems because we inherit 2 copies of each gene, one from our mother and one from our father, and the healthy copy can cover for the faulty one. The problem arises when both parents carry the same faulty gene, which is more likely if they are closely related. First cousins, for example, share about 12.5% of their DNA, so their chances of carrying the same harmful gene are higher. In unrelated couples, the risk of having a child with a birth defect is around 2 to 3%, but for first cousins, it rises to about 4 to 6%. While this still doesn't guarantee problems, the risk is roughly doubled. And if cousin marriages happen repeatedly across generations, the chances can increase even more. But does Islam actually encourage it? The answer is no. Islam does not encourage or recommend cousin marriage. How do we know cousin marriage is allowed in Islam? The clearest evidence comes from Surah An-Nisa verse 23, where Allah lists the women a man is forbidden to marry, mahram relations. Cousins are not included in this list, which means such marriages are allowed. We also know this from the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who married his first cousin Zainab bint Jahsh. But it's important to remember, nowhere in the Quran or authentic hadith does Allah or the Prophet say that cousin marriage is better or recommended compared to marrying someone outside the family. Cousin marriage is common because of historical, cultural, and practical reasons that go back centuries. In pre-Islamic Arabia, cousin marriage was already common as a way to keep wealth, land, and tribal alliances within the family. When Islam came, it did not forbid this practice, so the tradition continued in many Muslim communities. Families also feel more comfortable marrying their children to someone they already know and trust. In short, cousin marriage in Muslim societies is a cultural tradition, not a command from Islam.